Did you know that one mistake during drying off can reduce milk yield by 15 to 30% in the next lactation? Many farmers believe the dry period is simply a resting phase. Improper drying off, loss of 15 to 30%, 4 to 8 liters. Milk per day in next lactation. Dry period is not just stopping milk or resting phase, actually a rebuilding phase of the udder for the next lactation. Watch video till end for drying off science, mistakes and essential care. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Dry period less than 45 to 60 days. Less regeneration of milking cells and lower milk production in lactation. Wrong drying off method results in mastitis, swollen udder, fever and reduced next lactation milk. Drying off science. Inside the udder, after drying off, milking stops and milk accumulation increases pressure inside udder. Hormonal changes signal the udder to stop milk production. After last milking, teat canal starts closing. Keratin plug forms naturally. Keratin plug blocks bacteria entry and protects udder from mastitis. Old and damaged milk cells die naturally. Immune cells clean dead tissue. After involution, new mammary epithelial cells start forming, udder tissue regenerates. When the dry period is too short, udder can't repair properly. Result, fewer new alveoli develop, leading to lower milk production in the next lactation. Proper 45 to 60 days dry period equals higher lactation milk yield. Improper drying off, open teat canal after milking, bacteria entering teat produces infection in udder. Common mistakes farmers make during drying off: sudden feed stop, milking irregularly, water restriction, no teat dip. Wrong drying off results in swollen udder, mastitis, fever and reduced next lactation milk. Correct drying off method: gradual ration change, clean bedding, teat sealant, dry cow therapy and proper body condition. Result in healthy calving, more milk next lactation. Post-drying off. Negligence. Cow laying in dirty area leads to entry of bacteria through teat canal and their multiplication in udder. Produce inflation in and mastitis. Essential care. Post-drying off. Minimize mastitis and increase milk production. Clean and comfortable bedding reduces calving stress. Infuse right intramammary antibiotic tube to eliminate current infection in udder and minimize post-calving mastitis. Teat sealant after intramammary infusium minimizes further bacterial entry. Final post-dip to form protective barrier against further bacterial infection. Less drying off. Impact in future milk production. A proper 60-day dry period leads to healthy udder. Leads to high milk after calving, lower post-calving diseases. Cow B, no proper dry period leads to small udder development. Leads to low milk after calving and higher post-calving diseases. A proper 45 to 60-day dry period helps. Udder tissue repair, mastitis reduction, better colostrum, higher future milk yield, improved calf growth. Please comment and WhatsApp for your cow drying off protocol and feed ration formulation. Please subscribe, like and share.